Okay, let's come over and look at the NQ. Now the NQ is really tricky, as is the NDX in this part of the move here. And I keep fluctuating between how I count the subwaves. Just sticking to the larger picture, I think we've got a 1, 2, and I'm starting to think that this running flat that I had as another 2, I think it's a 4. I think we've got a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and that's the 1. And that hit the 618 extension. Then we've had the 2. That would mean that this move up is in sync then with the ES, in that we're getting a leading diagonal to the upside to complete the 1 up of the next leg up at this 618 extension. So off this 2, we'd have an A, B, C for the 1, A, B, C for the 3, and then the 4. The move up yesterday was the A, the move back was the B, and we should push on up again this morning in a C wave in the NDX. Now, if that's correct, then the low this morning hit the 886 retrace. So we need to see this stay above 76.30, invalidations at 76.17, and push up into this target zone, at which point we should then get a 2 back before we go a lot higher in the NDX. So there's that count and the original count that I had that I've been going through the last few weeks. I'm going to keep an eye on both for now to see which one plays out. If you look at a lot of the stocks, and we went through I know the Dow Jones is, in fact, let's do the Dow Jones. It's kind of picture perfect, and as are the stocks in it. If you look at LMT and BA and so on and so forth, they're now breaking out in their third of thirds as we've anticipated. And the Dow here, we're looking for 27,171 to 27,554 next for the 3. So, and it's, you know, not pulled back anywhere near as much. Everything's pretty picture perfect in the Dow Jones. So there are a lot of the technology stocks. So if you look at Apple and if you look at Amazon and others, they're all now starting to break out again. And what was the other one? Nvidia yesterday was a decent day.